is currently 9 a.m. Eastern time, and you know what that means? In 30 minutes, New York Stock Exchange will open, and I will actually live trade, and I'm gonna show you everything, obviously, because if you don't know who am I, I'm a day trader. I've been trading for almost 4 years, and I'm young. I know I started young, very very young, but because of that reason, that allowed me to learn, go through my ups and downs, and now I'm here to educate because I've been profitable for almost 2 years actually. That's quite time moves fast nowadays. But pretty much I'm here now to show you what it takes to become a profitable independent trader, because I wish there would have been someone to record videos like these when I wasn't profitable. I'm gonna start the live trading call really, really soon. I actually talk to talk and I walk to walk. What do I mean? Well, there's a lot of traders in this industry who just teach you something, but they never actually show you them do it themselves, if that makes sense. So that's why I'm gonna take you to this morning with me. I'm gonna show you everything, live trading session. Okay, I'll see you at the charts, guys. I'm going to short the markets. I'm going to short the markets from here. Oh shit, I gotta be fast. Shit. Short the markets. So that's very fast trade. That's what's good. $700. Beautiful trade. Hey yo, what an amazing trade. Wednesday trade, $700. Beautiful trade. Everybody got paid like I did. We're live trading right there, and pretty much this is the trade. Beautiful. $700 today, just like that. Very, very fast forward trade, man. Everybody in the Discord got paid. I got paid. Amazing. NQ trade Wednesday. This week I haven't been trading much, but that's what we're gonna do as traders. When you take a trade, you're gonna make sure you get paid, okay? But what I mean, this is risk ratio, risking, etc. But amazing trade, $700 Wednesday. It's only Wednesday, super up on the month. Everybody in the Discord is up on the month. But let me explain you exactly what happened, guys. Trade recap. So you saw that live trading was live trading. I showed everything, obviously, but pretty much what we saw, session opened right here. This is 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. I know it says 6, hold on. 9:30 a.m. Eastern time, right? We took out almost immediately 4-hour time frame liquidity. Now the thing here is, I was looking to buy if we see a reaction, from this liquidity. And what we day traders do, especially my strategy, especially what I teach to my students, is if we see liquidity, especially 4-hour time frame, like higher time frame liquidity, we're gonna have to wait and see, does it give us reaction to the opposite direction? Because that's what liquidity do. It has a lot of buy and sell resting orders, and once those get filled from a liquidity sweep, we can see the whole freaking direction moving to that direction. But we have to wait, have to be present, and this time we didn't see that. Why? Because perhaps it wants to take out more liquidity in the downside, fill more orders, but that's what we gotta do. Wait. Some people are so fast forward, they just enter blindly, and that's why they're unprofitable. What we did, we waited, and no reaction from this. No reaction. Okay, I was like, okay, probably wants to take out more liquidity down here. Fill orders. Okay, then 10 a.m. hits, 4-hour time frame closed. That's a breakout structure to the downside on the 4-hour time frame. I sent out to the single chat. I said to the team in the call, everything. Yo, guys, we are going to look for shorts for sure. And look at this beautiful downtrend. I know this is when it took out 30-minute time frame liquidity. Start a little bit moving sideways. Why? Because there's equal amount of what? Hold on, guys. This is a lesson also. Buyers and equal amount of sellers, because there was pressure to the upside from the liquidity, all the things that we took, but there was also pressure to the downside prior to the downtrend. Now we have to understand, trend always wins at the end, because we didn't see any reaction to the upside after all. And as soon as 10 a.m. hit, what happened? We broke structure around here. This kind of closed, and 10 a.m. hit here. This started to move. What we did is create this 5-minute time frame bearish order block prior to the breakout structure. Downtrend. How does the trend move again, guys? How does the trend move? Lower low, lower high, lower low. What happened? Lower high, lower high. Immediately after this got tapped into, we see immediate reaction to the downside, which is a good sign because that's respect of the trend. Immediately, I go down to the 1 minute time frame. I want to see the last reaction. What is it? Lower high, lower low. Look at this. And why is this a lower low? Because look at this. It broke below the red line, the most recent low. And this is enough for me to enter. I entered in here and I got filled in our broker. Oh, whoops, in here. Beautiful. Very good fill. 1 to 2 resource ratio. What ended up happening is then we tapped into the 1 minute time frame order block and then straightforward we just go down. This was 15 minute time frame bullish order block. This line right here. I was about to take like mini partial or break even at least, but I didn't have time for that because this was super fast for trade. Went straight to the TP. Amazing, amazing. Everybody got paid. I got paid. Very good. Wednesday. Very good. Fast forward trade. And this is what we gotta do as traders. Enter when the pressure is at the highest. We can see that respect of the trend, pressure is building up. The whole world is seeing that. And obviously, guys, I was live trading with the team in here, like right here. This right here was called in the call. I'll explain everything. I was teaching at the same time and showing. So also in the Signal chat, for the people who didn't make it to the call, because I understand sometimes people may be at school, at work. So I also send out to them who cannot make it to the call. Obviously the call is better because you learn at the same time, but this is for the people who, obviously I explain in here as well. Boom. And I entered in here. This is where I entered actually. Yeah, fun fact. As you can see, went to the TP, and obviously it's 1 tick away. So obviously send out to a Signal chat that you can take it. And boom, beautiful, beautiful trade. Hey, yo, man, Wednesday, $700. Beautiful trade. You saw everything. I got paid $700. My students got paid. I'm very happy for them. I'm very happy to turn them profitable, independent, and make them money while they're learning. But let's get this popping. The day is just starting. My advice is to, should be a lifelong students, whatever. If you just finish your day trading day, go to the gym, read a book, do something productive, okay? But, amazing, amazing. And this is what shows trading. It's the freedom, bro. It's the freedom that it gives even at a young age. But regardless, man, hope you enjoyed. This is just another day of a day trader. All right. But as usual, I'll see you on the other side. Peace out.